Are you thinking of making a very simple, delicious, straightforward vegetable soup recipe, aka Efo riro, for yourself or your loved ones? Then you need to keep on watching this video, okay? Here are the ingredients that I'm using. I use 3 different kinds of vegetables. I use collard greens, I use spinach, and I use and water leaf. You can add any protein of your choice, be it chicken or turkey. For the purpose of this video, I'm using some shrimp and beef. Okay, so we want to start by adding some red oil into your pan, like you guys are seeing, just enough to make the soup. Okay, so when the oil is heat up a little bit, you put in your onions. And let the onions fry for some time. I will encourage you to cook on low heat so that your food will not burn, okay? Actually, cooking on low heat is always better. So I added some salt to the onions to season it. Then I went ahead to add my tomatoes. Then let your tomatoes fry for a minute or two. At this point, I'm pounding or grinding my uru. Okay, it's so flavorful in the soup. Don't forget your uru. Okay. When your soup is looking like this, as you can see, the tomatoes is already cubed. I went ahead and added my shrimp. Always remember to cook on low heat, okay? So here I'm adding my crayfish. You can never go wrong with crayfish now when you're making a native soup. Some people don't like adding crayfish in their soup. I mean, are you the one? I cook with crayfish. Literally, almost everything I cook in my house, I add crayfish there. It tastes good. It contains protein. So I went ahead and add my seasoning cubes. Look at how our soup is looking like. I added my uru now. So I put my orushi, the stock fish, and the dry fish now. Okay. Here I'm adding my beef. My beef was already cooked. Now it's time to add the vegetables. I started with my collard greens because it's a little bit thicker, or would I say stronger than others. So I added my collard greens and I stir. What are you gonna be pairing with this soup? Let me know, okay? So here is my water leaf. Was frozen, so I defrosted it and washed it. Okay, I mean, where are you gonna get water leaf in America? Some people do have it, but I've never seen a fresh one before. Oh, in African some maybe. We are stirring our soup. Look at it, it's already looking delish already. Okay, we have one more vegetable to add, which is our spinach. I'm gonna cover before I add the remaining. Okay, here, this is the last vegetable. Make sure you season your soup properly. the way you want it. I added, of course, pepper. Here I'm adding a little bit of my meat stock, just a little bit. I didn't want to add too much, you know. I don't want the soup to be watery. I just want to have a little bit of liquid in it, but not a lot. So you cover, let it shimmer for a few minutes. Look at your soup now. The soup is looking delicious. The soup is looking flavorful and it tastes so good. Let me know, what are you gonna be eating with this? I ate mine with rice and it tasted so good. I ate mine with my fufu and it also tastes delicious. Okay, thank you for watching. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section.